Hey guys, Ed here, and today in this quick video I'd like to show you how to check your fluids and oil in a 2012 Honda Accord. So let's check, let's start. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna pop the hood. Put it on a stand. Alright, grab yourself some rag or a napkin and let's start. So right here we have our engine oil dipstick, and this is our crankcase cap. So if we have to add oil, this is how we do it. We open it and we add oil. First of all, let's check oil. Now this car right now is cold, and it's gonna give us accurate reading. The car has to be cold for you to get accurate reading. So usually first thing in the morning you can check oil. So let's start. I'm gonna put you guys here. Grab on the dipstick, take it out, dry it off, and put it back in. Get it out, and here we have our reading. So it's at the second notch. I'm going to dry it off. The oil color is brown, which is well, it's due for change, but the level on the second notch is good. It's no problem. So well, the car, the oil should be changed, but at least we know it's not eating oil, which is nice. So yeah, next thing in this car is windshield washer fluid. We have a cap right here, so to add windshield washer liquid fluid, this is where we're gonna add it. Open the hood, pour in, close it, you're all set. Here's our radiator cap, and this is coolant reservoir. So always check first before you put in coolant inside. Make sure this is not hot, okay? Because if the car was working, it means it's under pressure. So be very careful. You're gonna get boiling antifreeze in your face if the car is hot, since it builds up pressure inside. You're gonna open it and it's gonna just shoot out. So be careful about that. And use coolant, or in extreme situations you might use water, okay? But that's only for short drives, and if the temperature is above freezing, it's better to use antifreeze. Power steering reservoir right here, okay? So here we have min and max signs also. That's something you want to check in case if the power steering is stiff or it's squeaking. That's where you're gonna check your level. Next thing, brake fluid. This is our brake fluid reservoir. This car runs on DOT3 or DOT4 fluid. This is how you open it. Just spin it, open it, check if you have one. If you are missing fluid, it means you are leaking, because brake fluid doesn't evaporate, okay? So eventually if you are leaking, you're gonna leak out and you're gonna lose brakes, so keep that in mind. Next up is transmission fluid. Right here inside we have transmission dipstick. Right now the car is cold and it wasn't running, but you want to check transmission fluid level when the car is hot. So you have to drive the car around till normal temperature, till the temperature gauge goes to normal temperature, normal operating temperature, and after that you check transmission fluid. So just get it out, same way like engine oil, okay? I don't like the color of the transmission fluid, because since it's brown, it should be pink, okay? This is brown. The reading at this moment right now is inaccurate, since the car is cold, so we're not even gonna check it. Another fluid here is the Freon. But the story with the Freon is, if you are not mechanically savvy and mechanically inclined, you shouldn't do work with AC, since it's also pressurized system, and you might damage yourself or damage a car, and if you're gonna do something wrong. So leave that to mechanics to deal with. Otherwise, that's it. That's pretty much everything you had to know, and I hope this helps. So if you do, guys, please press like button and have a great day. Also, PS, if you need to know which fluids you need, open your manual or call your dealer, and they will tell you which fluids and velocity and everything of fluids and types and names. They will tell you, or manual or dealer. Okay, guys, have a great day. Bye bye.